Hello guys, welcome back. So this is going to be like a bathroom reset for me. So this is how this bathroom looks like at the moment. You can see how dirty this bathroom is looking. Everywhere is so scattered, like the floors, the walls. Look at how dirty up there is. And mind you, I have cleaners. So guys, I'm going to take this bathroom from 1 to 100. But believe me, you know that feelings when you finally decide to rest, like, okay, today I will not stress myself, let me just get help. That was me. I said, let me be a soft life babe for once. Let me employ a cleaner to handle this house, because honestly, motherhood, work, content creation, everything, it can be a whole lot. So I got someone to clean. In my mind, I had already pictured it. Sparkling tiles, fresh smelling rooms, everything arranged like those aesthetic home videos you see online. Tell me why reality humbled me. This is me cleaning everything and making sure it's to my taste. This cleaner came in, greeted respectfully, and I was even feeling good, like, yes, today is going to be productive. I showed her around, explained what needed to be done, especially the bathroom tiles. Because if you're like me, you know bathroom tiles can hold secrets if you don't clean them well. She said, okay, ma'am, very confidently. I relaxed. Here is the big mistake. After some time, I decided to check what she had done so far. Tell me why I entered the bathroom and it looked like she just greeted the tiles and left. Like, I know when something looks slightly tough, but not actually cleaned. That was the situation. And I said, what happened here? She said, I cleaned it now. I said, clean what exactly? Because the tiles were still telling stories. Then comes the part that almost made me laugh and cried at the same time. She said, Auntie, my hand cannot reach up to clean the wall tiles. I paused because I wanted to be sure I heard her correctly. Your hand cannot reach what? Meanwhile, right there in that same bathroom is a long brush, a very long brush, the kind that was literally designed for that exact purpose. I pointed at it and said, what is this? She said, I saw it, but I didn't know I should use it. At that point, I just looked at her and looked at the brush and looked at her back, like, because how? How do you see a cleaning tool inside a bathroom and not think to use it to clean? This is when I realized something very important. It's not just about getting help. It's about getting the right help. Because some people will come, they will move things around, pour water, make noise, but no actual results. Effort without understanding, like moment without impact. And the funny thing is, if you don't pay attention, you might even think work is being done. That day, I didn't just supervise, I practically became a trainer. I had to explain things I thought were obvious. Use this brush for this. Scrub like this. Check your work before saying you are done. Because at the end of the day, if I don't speak up, I will be the one still living in a half-clean house. Honestly, it made me reflect on life too. Sometimes we hand over responsibilities, whether at home, in business, even in relationships, and just assume people will do things the way we expect. But not everyone sees what you see. Not everyone has your standard. Not everyone pays attention to details. So if you don't guide it or check it, you might end up disappointed. And now, whether I hear, Auntie, I have finished, I don't even argue. I just quietly go and inspect. Because experience has taught me, my dear, soft life is good, but our wellness is better as well. So after cleaning, doing everything, I don't know what really happened that they did not put drainage like in where the toilet is. Look at how I'm suffering to like scoop water out from that particular place. At least they would have put drainage. Whoever did this plumbing work is a very bad plumber. So guys, so this was me when I was done. I was just rinsing everywhere and making sure everything is nice, and I'm going to take my time to decorate this toilet to my best ability. So this was me doing everything. It's not easy, but I did it, guys. And the next day I decorated the bathroom and the toilet with my rattan decoration. Look at how clean and sparkling it was looking. Now I can comfortably live and even do my skincare routine in this bathroom. Like, there is mirror now, everything is just perfect the way I want it to be. So guys, how are you going to rate this decor? I did this myself. I didn't call anybody to help me. I did everything myself. It was only the hanging of the rattan I have to call a furniture person, because the walls were very tough for me. So I'm not yet done with everything. No, I have to still buy some other things, but look at how it's looking. So how are you going to rate this bathroom now? Will you love to shower in this bathroom, or the decoration is just too much? Anyways, thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.